In our previous session, we discussed system productivity. Today, we are going to explore a new topic, and that is capital productivity. Have you ever wondered how businesses measure the efficiency of their investments in assets and resources? Capital productivity is a key concept that helps organizations evaluate how effectively they generate output from their capital. In today's session, we will explore what capital productivity means, why it's crucial for financial decision making, and how a capital productivity system can streamline this process. Are you ready? At the end of this topic, you will be able to define capital productivity. You'll be able to explain the capital productivity system. Before moving ahead, let's first understand what capital productivity is. Capital productivity measures how effectively a company utilizes its capital assets to generate output in manufacturing. The components include capital deployed in plant and machinery, which are vital for production efficiency. For example, a factory may invest in advanced machinery that increases output while reducing downtime. Additionally, the buildings where production takes place must be optimally designed to enhance workflow. Distribution systems are crucial for ensuring timely delivery of products to customers, thus improving overall efficiency. Lastly, working capital encompassing cash, inventory, and receivables plays a significant role in daily operations. Capital productivity is crucial for enhancing operational efficiency and maximizing returns on investments in manufacturing. To achieve this, organizations can adopt several strategies that streamline processes, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall effectiveness. Here are 5 essential strategies. Number 1, outsourcing strategies, wherein outsourcing involves delegating specific business functions to external suppliers to improve efficiency and reduce costs, such as manufacturing company outsourcing IT services. Number 2, methods improvement, wherein it focuses on refining processes to increase efficiency and reduce waste, exemplified by a textile manufacturer automating cutting processes. Balance of workstations. It ensures even task distribution among workers, as seen in electronics assembly lines, to prevent delays and boost output. Quality circles. Quality circles are employee groups that meet regularly to solve work-related problems, fostering continuous improvement, like a food processing team addressing quality control issues. Rationalization of packaging methods, wherein rationalization of packaging involves optimizing processes for efficiency and cost reduction, such as beverage company using lighter, sustainable packaging materials. Now, let's study each strategy one by one in detail. The first one is outsourcing strategies. Outsourcing strategies involve assessing capacity requirements to identify which goods or services can be delegated to external suppliers or service providers. Once these requirements are determined, organizations can easily decide what functions can be outsourced, leading to significant reductions in capital and manpower needs. By utilizing available capacities effectively, companies can focus on augmenting their competencies, which ultimately reduces the cost of products or services offered to customers. Additionally, outsourcing can enhance product design by leveraging the expertise of specialized firms, allowing for innovative solutions and improvements. This strategy also facilitates better networking and collaboration opportunities with external partners, driving overall operational efficiency and competitiveness. In summary, outsourcing is a powerful strategy for optimizing resources, reducing costs, and fostering innovation within an organization. However, outsourcing can provide numerous benefits, but several factors may restrict organizations from delegating specific functions to external suppliers. Here are four key factors to consider. Number one, lack of expertise. If a company lacks the knowledge to assess potential outsourcing partners, it may struggle to find qualified suppliers. For example, a tech firm may hesitate to outsource software development if it cannot evaluate the vendor's technical capabilities. Quality considerations. Concerns about maintaining product quality can restrict outsourcing, as seen when a pharmaceutical company to keep manufacturing in-house to ensure compliance with strict regulatory standards. Nature of demand. If demand for a product is unpredictable, companies may avoid outsourcing to maintain flexibility. For instance, a seasonal retailer might prefer in-house production to quickly adapt to changing consumer trends. Cost factors. Hidden costs associated with outsourcing, such as management and communication expenses, can deter companies. For example, a business might find that the total cost of outsourcing customer support exceeds the benefit compared to handling it internally. Now, next, let's discuss the second strategy, and that is methods of improvement. The process of methods improvement begins with a thorough analysis of existing procedures. This analysis helps identify inefficiencies or areas that require enhancement, setting the foundation for further improvement efforts. The primary goal is to understand how a job is accomplished by breaking it down into its elemental tasks. This granular approach allows for a detailed examination of each component, making it easier to identify specific areas for improvement and optimize workflows. Methods improvement applies to both ongoing operations and new tasks. For new jobs, the initial job description serves as a key input for analysis, providing a clear understanding of expected outcomes and requirements. When analyzing running jobs, the analyst relies on a combination of observations, historical records, and input from individuals involved in the process. This collaborative approach ensures that insights from those with first-hand experience are considered, leading to more effective and relevant improvements. In continuation with the methods of improvements, once improved methods have been identified and suggested, the next step is to implement these changes within the organization. This phase is crucial as it transforms theoretical improvements into practical applications that can enhance efficiency and effectiveness in operations. After implementing the new methods, it is essential to create records that document the changes made and their impacts on operations. These records serve as a basis for evaluating the effectiveness of the improvement procedures, allowing analysts to measure outcomes against predefined benchmarks. Throughout the methods improvement process, analysts should actively involve all stakeholders, including employees who perform the tasks and managers overseeing operations. Engaging these individuals ensures that diverse perspectives are considered, which can lead to more practical solutions and greater buy-in for the changes being implemented. Now let's move on to the third strategy, balancing of workstations, wherein assembly lines are designed to carry out operations in a specific sequence. allowing products to be completed in stages. Each station in the assembly line performs a particular task, contributing to the overall production process. Second, since workflows must remain uniform and different operations may require varying amounts of time to complete, the need for line balancing becomes apparent. Line balancing ensures that no single workstation becomes a bottleneck in the assembly process, which could lead to the delays and inefficiencies. Number three, to achieve a smooth flow of production, capacities at each workstation are adjusted so that the time taken to complete a product is approximately equal at each stage of assembly. This adjustment is crucial for maintaining a consistent workflow and ensuring that all parts of the process are synchronized. Number four, a core aspect of line balancing involves determining the suitable cycle time, which is the time allocated for completing a task at each workstation. By balancing individual workstations according to this cycle time, manufacturers can enhance productivity and reduce idle time, leading to a more efficient assembly line. Now, let's discuss the quality control tools that complement these strategies. Kaoru Ishikawa is renowned for developing the fishbone diagram, a tool that helps identify the root causes of problems. In addition to this, several other quality control tools are essential for addressing various quality issues. Number one, flowchart. A flowchart visually represents the steps in a process, making it easier to identify inefficiencies and areas for improvement. Second, Pareto diagrams. These diagrams illustrate the most significant factors contributing to a problem. Following the 80 by 20 rule, which states that roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. Cause and effect diagrams, also known as fishbone diagrams, these tools help categorize potential cause of problem, allowing teams to systematically explore all the possible factors. Control charts. Control charts monitor process performance over time, helping identify variations and ensuring that processes remain stable and within predetermined limits. Scatter diagrams. Scatter diagrams plot data points to show the relationship between two variables, helping to identify potential correlations that may indicate root causes. Check sheet. A check sheet is a structured form for collecting and analyzing data, enabling teams to easily track defects or problems and gather insights for further analysis. Histogram. Histograms provide a graphical representation of the distribution of data, allowing teams to visualize variations and assess whether a process is stable and within control limits. Now, let's explore the fishbone diagram in the context of capital productivity. The fishbone diagram, also known as a cause and effect diagram, is an effective tool for analyzing the root causes of issues affecting capital productivity. In this diagram, the central bone represents capital productivity, while various categories branch out to identify potential causes. Number one, methods. This includes the processes and techniques used in production. Inefficient workflows or outdated methods can significantly impact capital productivity. Number second, manpower. The skills and training of the employees are crucial. Insufficient training or low motivation can lead to decreased productivity levels. Number third, materials. The quality and availability of raw materials are vital for smooth operations. Delays or issues with the material quality can disrupt production and reduce output. Number four, machines. Equipment reliability and maintenance are essential. Frequent breakdowns can lead to increased downtime and inefficiencies. And the last one is management. Effective leadership and decision-making practices influence capital productivity. Poor management strategies or lack of clear objectives can result in misaligned operations. Moving on, the fourth strategy is quality circles. As we already know that quality circle is a small group of employees who share a genuine concern for the work environment and the well being of their colleagues, often consisting of individuals performing similar tasks. These groups meet voluntarily on a regular basis, typically under the guidance of a leader, to collaboratively identify workplace problems. During their meetings, members analyze the root causes of these issues and brainstorm potential solutions. They then recommend these solutions to the management, fostering a culture of continuous improvements. Wherever feasible, the Quality Circle takes the initiative to implement their proposed solutions, empowering employees to enhance productivity and quality within their organization. This collaborative approach not only improves processes but also boosts employee morale and engagement as team members feel valued and heard. Lastly, we have the fifth strategy, rationalization of packaging methods. As logistics increasingly plays a vital role in supply chain management and outsourcing becomes the standard practice, the importance of packaging has significantly risen. Efficient stacking and storing of products must be approached scientifically to maximize space utilization within warehouses. To streamline operations, automated systems are commonly employed for the movement of goods within facilities, enhancing efficiency and reducing manual labor. Additionally, packaging systems must be thoughtfully designed to ensure safe transit of products while allowing for continuous monitoring of the quantities and operational processes. For outsourced products, it is essential that the materials and design of packaging facilitate reuse, leading to cost savings and promoting sustainability. By rationalizing packaging methods, organizations can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize their environmental impact. Production management involves overseeing production, marketing, and financial activities. The finance department, led by the CFO and assisted by a president and controller, manages financial operations. The finance manager handles financial planning and, of course, data interpretation. Capital and financial productivity are crucial for successful production and operations. Finance leader ensure proper fund allocation to support production process. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.